193 minus 185. Ha! Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous, welcome back TT gang. So we're fit to get right into this video because I am getting ready to give you my 4-week update on keto and low carb. Yes, I said keto and low carb because that means I did quit keto around my 3rd week. So I had to transition over to keto because transition over to low carb because it was completely way too restrictive. So if you have not checked out my little short mini playlist, please go ahead and do so. That way you can be up to date. I know I kept saying 10 pounds, but child, it is not no 10 pounds. I don't know what in the world I'm talking about. So it is 10 pounds total that I have lost within 2 months. July is when I lost the 3 pounds, so I went from 195 to 193. Now in August, I lost all of my keto weights. 3 weeks, 2 weeks, or did I lose it all in 1 week? I'll let you guess. I lost it all in 1 week. The first week. So I went from 193 down to 185. Okay, so that means that is a total of 8 pounds lost. Just increased my workout and I was able to lose my 2 pounds. Now my 3rd week, I didn't lose any weight, and I said that. This is my 4th week. I lost my 2 pounds that I gained and I feel good, happy. You saw my intro. My body is looking a whole lot slimmer, so I feel good. So follow me for more updates. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you have a awesome and blessed Monday and the rest of your week. And I will chit chat with you guys a little bit later. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will chat with you again later. Bye gorgeous. And yes, this is that sugar-free. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and say bye. Looking a little real. Bye girl.